Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve our problem F, that is digital summation. So they will give us two numbers n and m, and we have to print the summation of their last digits. So only one line containing two numbers, that is n and m should be greater than or equal to 0 or less than equal to 10 to the power 18. So we don't have to worry about our range because Python is a powerful language. So we should focus on input and output. So they will give us two input and we have to add we have to print the summation of their last two digits. They are 13, last digit is 3, and in 12 the last digit is 2. So 3 plus 2 equal 5. So let's implement the code. First of all, we have to take two input, that is we have to take two input, and so we can take n as our first input, and for second input we can declare a variable, that is m, and we take our second input. Now we have to convert the string into our integer variable. So let's convert it. We take another variable, that is n, and we will convert it into integer. So we converted n, and then converted our m. Now we have our two input as integer. Now we have to find out the last digit. So for find out the last digit we can use modulus. So for storing the last digit we can take another variable, and I will take n and n as our variable, and let's put the last digit in n and n. So we have to find the modulus of n, and we have to divide the. Now we store the last digit in n and n, and then in m we will store our last digit of second input. So our two last digit is stored in these two variable. Now let's find the summation. So I declare a variable as sum, and we will store the last digit, the sum of the last digit. So n and n plus m. So the summation of last two digit will store in the sum variable. Now print the sum. Let's see our code is okay or not. So we will give two input, that is 13 and 12, and let's see our code is accepted or not. The code is here we did a mistake, that is Python didn't take the input in one line as separate. So we have to separate the two input in here. So we can separate it like this. So first of all we take the input like split. So if we use the split function, Python will separate the 13 and 12 and store it in n. So we have to divide the input in two variable. So first of all I will redeclare this as t. Now we have to find out the two input in two variable. So first of all in n I will store the first index. So I will store the first index like this, t0. Like this we will store our first input, like for this example 13 will store here, and then in m I will store t1. in this t1 the 12 is here, so 12 will be stored in m variable. Now we have our two input in n and m. So let's see our code is now okay or not. So now I will give two input. Yes, our code is running well. So like this we can separate our input when our input is given in one line. So thank you so much.